Hey guys, today I received this product for review purposes. It's a ceiling fan, so let's gonna open it. Comes with your manual instructions. Comes the parts. It's a pretty good color, silver one. Comes with all the parts for the center. And here we have a box where comes with, let me see, this box goes the heart of the ceiling fan, batteries, all you need to install your ceiling fan. Comes with your remote control, pretty nice, black color. Okay, another part. Okay, this is a little heavy. This is the main center of the ceiling fan. Goes like this. And more parts for the installation. Yeah, pretty much is all you need. Comes with all the parts needed to install your ceiling fan. So let's go. As you can see guys, it's already installed. It's a very beautiful ceiling fan. Comes with all the instructions, very easy to follow. Has simple cables, so you don't need to take long to install it. It comes with a remote control. Has a lot of functions. You can change the speed of the ceiling fan. Has 6 speeds, and you can change the temperature of the light. You can have it in bright, or you can have it a little bit more warm, like this. And you can program your ceiling fan, so you can turn it off or on. So I like it a lot. It's a very beautiful ceiling fan. I recommend it a lot. Thanks.